Whether your pool's having a good day or a bad day, or whether you're having a good day or a bad day, the iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaning K-Series is here to help. I got this iGarden K-Series Robotic Pool Cleaner sent to me to make a video about. All right, let's go ahead and stick this thing in the pool and I'll show you how it works, and then I'll show you the good and the bad and the ugly about this robotic pool cleaner so you can decide if this is the right pool vac for you and for your pool. All right, let's go ahead and get this video started. And now we'll get the iGarden going. Just gonna hit the power button. All right, there we go. I got the power on. It's blinking. I'm just gonna hit it one more time. And now it's ready to go. So I got this on 3 dots, that's on 2 dots. This will get the floor and the walls. And then I got it on the power one, on the turbo. And then the battery's at 3 bars. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in. The nice thing about a robotic pool cleaner is that it can clean your pool floors and your pool walls for you while you clean your pool equipment. As you can see, my pool filters are pretty dirty, so I need to shut down my pool and clean my pool filters. And while I'm doing that, the iGarden K-Series robotic pool cleaner can clean my pool floors and walls for me, so that's pretty convenient. There we go, it's moving around, and here it comes. Got the beta pool cleaner coming over here to say hi, and here comes the iGarden. Right up there to say hi to the beta. Just cleaning the pool walls and the pool floors while the beta gets all the leaves up off the top. Can see there's some leaves and debris and stuff on the bottom of the pool that needs to get cleaned up. So we'll go ahead and get in the pool with the iGarden and record it doing its job. All right, there it goes. It's over here by the steps. We got really big steps in our pool, so we'll see how it does on this area. It looks really cool with those orange rims. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool looking. All right, here it is cleaning the pool walls some more. Now it's coming up the steps. Here's a good shot of the brushes. You can see it's got 2 big brushes on the front that it uses to scrub the pool walls and the pool floor with. It looks like it's making it all the way up here to the top of the steps. It can't make it up any higher than this though, because it needs to suck water into the water jet, and so it can't do very good in shallow water. So this is about as high as it can go, but yeah, that did a pretty good job. The iGarden K-Series is engineered with a turbine-grade impeller, high-speed flow system, and 3 brushless motors. But it does require water to run. So it looks like it's going back down into the pool where it can get some more water in its turbine so it can finish cleaning the pool. Here it is going to the other side of the pool. Looks like it's getting the pool wall really good. It's kind of going up the wall at an angle, and there's a few persistent spots on the wall that it didn't get. It looks like when it goes at an angle, it misses a little bit. But once it recenters and goes straight up, it does a really good job. Cleans the wall really good. But yeah, look at that. It got a lot of the algae off the wall over here. We got a couple of pool drains on this side of the pool, so we'll see how it goes over the pool equipment. Oh yeah, look at that. Looks like it goes right over the pool drain like it's nothing. So yeah, it's got a pretty good clearance. It can handle going over pool drains no problem. All right, we'll go ahead and let it finish vacuuming up the pool, and then we'll take it out of the pool and we'll see how much stuff it vacuumed up. This part can be a little bit tricky. You just want to make sure you have the hook lined up in the middle of the handle, and then it's pretty easy to pull up from there. And there's an egg in there. Somehow an egg got in our pool. We saw some ducks here the other day. I wonder if the duck laid an egg in the pool. But yeah, this thing's pretty good. It vacuums up eggs out of the pool. So yeah, it definitely does look like an egg. So it can vacuum up an egg. I don't know if it's from the ducks or not. We had ducks in the pool the other day. Maybe they laid an egg. I'm just guessing though. There's no telling what kind of creature came out of this egg. Yeah, you can see all the leaves and debris and everything it vacuumed up, so it does a pretty good job vacuuming up the pool. Got a lot of stuff up. So yeah, these iGarden K-Series robotic pool cleaners do a pretty good job of getting debris out of your pool. And these things look really cool too. Yeah, this is a pretty nice pool vac. But the iGarden robotic pool cleaners aren't perfect, and they're a little pricey too. So let's get into the good and the bad and the ugly and see if the iGarden K-Series robotic pool cleaners are right for you. So let's start with the good. It's a robotic pool cleaner that cleans your pool. That's pretty cool. You don't have to plug it into a hose like you have to do with a suction side pool vac. That really makes a difference. Those hoses can be a real pain. And since you don't have to plug it into a hose, you can run it while your pool equipment's off. That can really make a difference, especially while you're cleaning your filters. And this thing can vacuum up a lot of stuff. Yeah, that's definitely a good thing. And it's really high tech. This thing's pretty advanced, and it even has an app. So yeah, that's also good. So yeah, there's quite a few good things about the iGarden K-Series robotic pool cleaners, but it's not all good. There are some bad things too. These are kind of subjective though, so I'll go ahead and give you my take. It's hard to see the controls in bright sun. That might not be an issue for you, but as you can see, I'm getting a little older. I got a little gray in my beard, and it's kind of hard for me to see the controls in the bright sun. My eyes aren't quite what they used to be. Another bad thing I noticed about it is that you can see the vent blows debris into the pool. Now this might not be a bad thing if you want to get it up into your skimmer and suck it up that way, but it does seem to kick the dirt around. It sucks it up and blows it out the exhaust. And the pool basket can get clogged up from the debris in the bottom of your pool. Your pool may not be as bad as mine, so this may not be an issue for you, but you can see all this debris gets clogged up in the pool basket, and that could be a real pain to clean out. And then the last thing on my list for the bad is that this plug doesn't keep all the water out, so you get a lot of water in the plug. So I like to take a little blower to get all the water out of there. So that can be a bad thing, but if you dry this out really good, I just use this blower and clean everything out really good. And then once it's all dried out, you can charge it up. All right, now let's get into the ugly. This is kind of tongue-in-cheek, but there's a few things on here that annoyed me about this pool vac. I'll go ahead and show you what they are and how I dealt with them. It can be challenging to clean the pool basket. At least it was for me. It might not be for you. It's pretty obvious how to clean it right, but I couldn't quite figure it out, so it took me a few tries. So the trick is, rather than spraying in here and trying to get it all cleaned out, I'm gonna spray from this side. Because you can see when you spray in here, it just pushes everything all around and it's hard to get it out. But if you take it back here and spray from this side, now you can get everything off of the screen real good. So you just spray everything off from the outside. And now that looks nice and clean inside. So if you struggle cleaning the pool basket like I do, try flipping it around and cleaning it from out here. Just like everything on this list, it does take a few tries, and once you get a feel for it, it's really not that bad. So the ugly's really not that ugly and the bad's really not that bad. But at first it could be kind of frustrating. The pool vac hook is kind of small, and it's challenging to get the pool vac out of the pool at first until you get the hang of it. This thing can be pretty slippery. We'll see if I can do it this time with just one try. It's at a little bit of an angle too, but I think if you can kind of get it in the middle, then you can pull it right up. So I got it in one try that time. The pool vac can be kind of heavy too. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'2" and 250 pounds, and I feel like this is kind of heavy. Like I said, I'm getting a little older and my back's not quite what it used to be, but I found if you bend your knees and keep your back straight, and then once you get it lifted up, you rest it on your hip, it's not so bad. So like I said, it just takes a little bit of a trick and a little bit of getting used to it, getting a little feel for it, and then it's not so ugly. And another little nitpicky thing that I put on the ugly list is it can be in the way. This thing takes up a lot of space and you have to charge it up in the patio. You can't just charge it up by the pool, so you need to put it in a safe area to charge it up, and it can be in your way on the patio. But if you get a designated area for it, like I did, I just put it over here out of the way, and then it's not so bad to charge it up. I like to take it inside the patio so it's nice and covered in here, and then that way I can dry it off really good and then charge it up. Yeah, like I said, the good and the bad and the ugly might not be an issue for you. You might laugh at some of the things that I thought were ugly, and you might even laugh at some of the things I thought were bad. But at the end of the day, you got a little more information so you can decide if this is the right pool vac for you. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. I really like it. But at first I wasn't quite sure. There's a few things on here that I wasn't quite sure how to figure out how to do. But after some practice, I started to get used to it. Now I'm really starting to like this thing. This is a pretty nice pool vac.